50 sentences. Real English. Just listen and repeat.
Let's go.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm a little busy right now.
I'm a little busy right now.
The meeting starts in 10 minutes.
The meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Can you send me the file later?
Can you send me the file later?
I need a little more time.
I need a little more time. We're working on a new project this week.
We're working on a new project this week.
She usually arrives very early.
She usually arrives very early.
I think the problem is already fixed.
I think the problem is already fixed.
Could you explain that one more time?
Could you explain that one more time? I'll check my emails after lunch.
I'll check my emails after lunch.
That sounds like a good idea.
That sounds like a good idea.
He's talking to a client right now.
He's talking to a client right now.
I forgot my notebook at home today.
I forgot my notebook at home today.
Can we discuss this tomorrow morning?
Can we discuss this tomorrow morning?
The office is very quiet today.
The office is very quiet today.
I'm still learning how this system works.
I'm still learning how this system works.
We had a long meeting this afternoon.
We had a long meeting this afternoon. She answered the question in a calm way. She answered the question in a calm way.
I need to finish this before 5 o'clock.
I need to finish this before 5 o'clock.
That task was more difficult than I thought.
That task was more difficult than I thought.
Do you work from home sometimes?
Do you work from home sometimes?
I'll call you when the meeting is over. I'll call you when the meeting is over.
The coffee machine is broken again.
The coffee machine is broken again. He always takes notes during meetings. He always takes notes during meetings.
Can you help me with this document?
Can you help me with this document?
I think we're making good progress.
I think we're making good progress. The internet was very slow this morning. The internet was very slow this morning.
We should talk about that later.
We should talk about that later. I didn't understand the last part. I didn't understand the last part.
She's speaking with the manager right now.
She's speaking with the manager right now.
I usually eat lunch around noon.
I usually eat lunch around noon.
That email was actually very helpful.
That email was actually very helpful.
We're trying to solve the problem together.
We're trying to solve the problem together.
It feels easier to speak English at work now.
It feels easier to speak English at work now. Can you repeat the question more slowly? Can you repeat the question more slowly?
The presentation starts after the break.
The presentation starts after the break.
He stayed late to finish the project.
He stayed late to finish the project.
I need a short break after this meeting.
I need a short break after this meeting.
That conversation felt much easier today.
That conversation felt much easier today.
We have a lot of work this week.
We have a lot of work this week.
I'm still thinking about your idea.
I'm still thinking about your idea. Could you show me how this works?
Could you show me how this works?
She explained everything very clearly.
She explained everything very clearly. I don't want to make a mistake.
I don't want to make a mistake.
The client seemed very friendly.
The client seemed very friendly.
We solved the problem step by step.
We solved the problem step by step.
I feel more confident during meetings now.
I feel more confident during meetings now.
That was a really productive day.
That was a really productive day.
I'm trying to speak more naturally at work.
I'm trying to speak more naturally at work.
Thanks for helping me today.
Thanks for helping me today.
And that's 50 sentences. Well done.
You showed up. You used your voice. That's real practice.
If you repeated all 50, write in the comment 50 sentences complete.
And if this helped you today, a like and a subscription mean a lot to us.
See you in the next one.